Check out this pretty quick and inexpensive studio transformation we did for our client. You can see that the existing closet had no shelves. What a complete waste of space. Also, the tables had no containerization. She wasn't using the wall space at all. So the first thing we did was buy a couple of cheap shelving sets and put them together in the closet facing each other. I'll explain why later. We used all of these inexpensive containers from Michael's and Ikea for putting her individual mosaic pieces into. They look great, and we're using the vertical space against the wall for storing them. We used existing glass containers for markers and other things, and a clear turntable with existing containers for different kinds of brushes, which works really well. Also, a cube storage container for holding notebooks and sketchbooks. You can see that the two shelves facing each other allows you twice as much space to store things, and it's actually pretty easy to reach in and get things out, so we're pleased with this. Overall, it was a really successful transformation. Everything she needs is right at hand and easily found.